From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 14. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, 予定, which means scheduled to do. Using this grammar pattern, you can say things like, I'm scheduled to go on a business trip, or I'm scheduled to go to Japan, and so on. So the meaning is this, 予定 means a scheduled plan or something already decided. You can use it when the plan is fixed, official, or on a schedule. Before in the lesson 8, you have learned つもり, which means plan to do. So つもり and 予定 sounds very similar, but there is a slight difference. The characteristics of つもり are as follows. This is a personal intention. It shows your feeling or decision. The plan may still change. So for example, 日本に行くつもりです means I intend to go to Japan. So it's not really fixed yet. I have an intention to go to Japan, but it may change. On the other hand, 予定 is more fixed. It's a scheduled plan, often written in calendars, and it's less personal feeling. So for example, 日本に行く予定です means I'm scheduled to go to Japan. So it's more fixed and less personal feeling. So that's the difference between つもり and 予定. So grammar format is this. You can use a verb dictionary form and then add 予定. So I'm scheduled to go to Japan is 日本に行く予定. You can also use a noun, but you need to have this no before 予定. I will show you one example. I'm scheduled to go to see a movie with my friend tomorrow. 明日、友達と映画を見に行く予定です。見に行く This 行く is a dictionary form. So after that, add 予定. One more example. I have a business trip scheduled next week. 来週は出張の予定です。出張 is a noun, therefore you need to have this no before 予定. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. I'm scheduled to move next month. 来月引っ越す予定です。引っ越す is a dictionary form verb meaning to move. So after that, add 予定. Next one. I have a meeting scheduled in the afternoon. 午後は会議の予定です。会議 is a meeting and it's a noun. Therefore, you need to have this no before 予定. Last one. I'm planning to go back to my home country and see my family during the New Year holidays. 年末年始は国へ帰って家族に会う予定です。So this 会う is a dictionary form verb meaning to meet. So after that, add 予定. And in order to combine sentences like this one, I'm planning to go back to my home country and see my family during the New Year holidays. So there are those two sentences. in order to combine those two, you need to use the te form. So, 帰って that's the te form so that the sentences can be combined. As for the New Year holidays, that's 年末年始 in Japanese. So now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 来月引っ越す予定です。午後は会議の予定です。年末年始は国へ帰って家族に会う予定です。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。